good morning. How's everybody doing today? This is my first vlog ever. We're really excited because today is a beach day. We're going to Bonita Beach in sunny Southwest Florida with my family. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Here goes nothing. Who's ready to go to the beach?
We're ready.
Where are we going, Nico? Where are we going?
Wawa.
To the Wawa. The water. Yes, my son is bilingual, you guys.
Oh, wow.
Isn't he so cute with his little Cuban hat? You look so cute.
Do you have your flip-flops on?
Flip-flops.
Ready?
So
All right. Let's go, guys.
Here.
Nico,
Yeah.
are you buckling in? Are you getting all buckled in?
This is unplugged.
All his glasses? Okay, so far so good.
What's this?
Garbage.
Okay.
We need to get the chairs. Getting ready. Did you bring your umbrella? Check. Everything's good. Let's do this. We're really excited because when you live in Southwest Florida, sometimes you totally take for granted going to the beach and enjoying like a nice family day on weekends. But today we've actually made the choice. We packed our 100 bags and we're ready and we're ready to go. So excited. It looks like it's a little windy though.
It is a little windy today.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to put up that umbrella. But if anything, they have a really cool restaurant in Bonita Beach. It's called Doc's, and we're planning on having lunch there. We just realized that we need to go to Publix to pick up some fruit and some waters. We don't want to dehydrate sitting out in the sun for too long. What's the temperature right now?
It's about 80 degrees.
Love it. A little salsita to get us in the mood in Florida. Picking up some stuff at Publix if we find the door. Where are we going? Someone excited? Put your glasses on. Okay, give me a kiss. Ah, you're so cute. Bye, thank you. You too. Bye, everybody. Ready?
Have a good day, folks.
Bye, thank you. Let's go. So we had a quick little detour at Publix, picked up some waters and fruit and iced tea for Darren because he can't drink anything else but. So we are going to be making another quick stop at this beach store to get a pail and some fun stuff for Nico.
What'd you get?
I got something really cool.
Let's see.
Ready?
Oh,
Oh! Fail.
you're supposed to grab
Yay!
it. Hey!
Mom, are you happy?
Yeah, for the beach.
sand castles? Yeah. At the beach? Beach. Okay, you guys, so right now we are driving on a road called Bonita Beach Road, and all these homes that I am filming right now back up right onto the water, onto Bonita Beach. It's amazing. What I love really about this area is that all these houses are very different. They have all different styles. Some of them are 3-4 stories. The architecture styles are beautiful. Still driving. Nico fell asleep in the back. Nico. He's not having it. Can't find a parking spot. So we're finally here relaxing in Bonita Beach. It's a little bit more windy than what I would have liked, but it's okay, it's still wonderful. There's a beautiful blue sky, the sun is shining, the waves are ripping. We're having an awesome time. Like the water, Mama? Who wants to go in the water? We're gonna leave the bucket right here. Let's go. I don't want to go if it gets real
Okay, so
deep.
let's
I'm
just go a little
scared.
bit.
No,
Let's just go a
no,
little bit.
no,
Come on.
no.
Come on.
I'm scared. Oh shit, it's getting real.
Wait!
I can feel it going down. It's going down. It's going down. I'm yelling timber.
Wait!
had an amazing afternoon at the beach. Now we're gonna, I have hair in my mouth, but my hands are full. We are gonna go get something to eat, probably at that place, Docks, right?
The docks, yeah.
Hopefully we can sit outside. They have like a balcony area and we can get a nice view. All right, y'all. We're gonna go get some grubs. Yum, yum, yums. Just finished having lunch. It was delicious. We had burgers. We had sliders actually. And I'm gonna finish my. Darren wanted to say that he had a burger. What did you have? And what did Nico have?
Nico had French fries and potato chips.
So we are going to finish this drink. Salud. And then we're gonna be heading back home. I need a nap.
I'm a little sunburned.
You are.
Yeah.
I think we all got a little bit of color.
Back
That
my
wind
arms,
though, that wind, you know what I'm saying?
My back, my shoulders.
Anyway, so we just finished eating and now I feel like I need a nap. So we are on our way home. It's a beautiful day out here in Southwest Florida. It's like probably, what is it?
82.
82 degrees, you guys. It's like full-blown summer weather, but we are in spring. I'm gonna go take a nap. What are you gonna do? Darren wants to go to the gym.
I'm gonna take some pre-workout and go to the gym.
I feel like we already got a workout. Oh no, baby, that cough. Baby, I see you back there. Oh no. Oh my God, that's a really bad cough, baby. Can you wave for me? Can you blow a kiss? Oh, you're such a sweet baby. I love you, Mama. Those are the moments that we live for.
So Master Bait and Tackle is like the most well-known bait and tackle shop in the United States.
How do you know that?
They sell hundreds of thousands of t-shirts every year.
Where do you know this fact?
Check it out on Google.
No, I don't believe you.
Google.com.
Really, that little like shop, mom and pop.
All about
Little shop.
all about marketing.
I can't. The master, what's it called?
Master Bait and Tackle.
All right, whatever. If you say so, but I have to disagree. Who likes mini golfing? I do. Maybe that's what we should do next time when we vlog. Mini golfing in Southwest Florida.
There's 2 or 3 of them we can go to.
We were just jamming to Bob Marley. Dun, 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 dun. But my Pandora doesn't work when I'm filming. 1, 2. Say it. 3. Very good. Oh my God. This kid is so smart. He's going to go to Harvard. Hey guys, we're getting back home. Nico is completely asleep. So we're gonna put all our stuff down and rinse off and probably take a little nap. Just like Nico, we are extremely exhausted. Hey guys, okay, so we've come to the end of this first vlog. I hope you all enjoyed it. We enjoyed very much filming it. It was very, very fun. So comment below and let us know if you would like to see another outing or perhaps just a regular day, what we do on a routinely daily here at the Simpson household. Leave your comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and yes, let us know what would you like to see next. See you soon.